Instagram archive story not showing up. All right, so there are several steps you can take to resolve this issue. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent your stories from appearing. Ensure you have a reliable Wi Fi or cellular signal. Update the app. Outdated versions of Instagram may lead to glitches. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix many issues. Enable Save to Archive. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, select Settings, then Privacy, and finally Story. Make sure Save to Archive is turned on. If it is already enabled, try toggling it off and back on. Clear cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and clear the cache. For iPhone users, consider offloading the app and then reinstalling it. Reinstall Instagram. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the app to eliminate any corrupted data. By following these steps, you should be able to restore access to your archived stories on Instagram effectively. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.